Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear students, hope you fine. Today I'll discuss answers to the questions in lesson 4 in the kingdom of fools. First of all, I'll discuss short answer questions. Answer the following questions. First one, what are the two strange things the Guru and his disciple find in the kingdom of fools? Answer, the Guru and the disciple found that in the kingdom of fools, people used to work during nights and sleep during days. Everything was cheap and cost the same. Question number 2. Why does the disciple decide to stay in the kingdom of fools? Is it a good idea? Answer. Everything was cheap in the kingdom of fools. The disciple had a liking for food. He was tempted by the cheap food. So he decided to stay in that kingdom. It was not a good idea to stay there for a long time, as one could be in danger anytime because of the unpredictable behavior of fools. Question number 3. Name all the people who are tried in the king's court and give reasons for their trial. Answer. The owner of the house, that is the merchant, the bricklayer, the dancing girl and the goldsmith were tried in the king's court. They all were tried because the thief died when the wall of merchant's house had collapsed. The merchant was tried for building a weak wall. The bricklayer was tried for doing his work carelessly. The dancing girl was tried for disturbing the concentration of the bricklayer. The goldsmith was blamed for making the dancing girl walk up and down to his house a dozen times. Question number 4. Who is the real culprit according to the king? Why does he escape punishment? Answer. The merchant's dead father was held responsible for making the wall weak. But according to the king, the rich merchant was the real culprit because he had inherited both sins and riches of his father. He escaped the punishment because he was too thin to fit the stake. Question number 5. What are the Guru's words of wisdom? When does the disciple remember them? Answer. The Guru tells his disciple that this kingdom is not fit for them and no one can ever tell what the people of this kingdom will do next. But the disciple decides to stay there because everything is cheap. The disciple remembers his Guru's words when he is being carried to the place of execution. Question number 6. How does the Guru manage to save his disciple's life? Answer. The Guru arrived on time to save his disciple and created a drama. He told the king that it was not an ordinary stake and whoever went to the stake first would become the king in next life. The second to die would become his minister. The king wanted to avail of this opportunity. The Guru and his disciple were released. Thus, the Guru managed to save his disciple's life. I will discuss long answer questions. Type 2 long answer questions. 100 to 150 words each. Answer the following questions. First one, discuss the importance of wisdom in life. Answer, life is a precious gift of God. We should enjoy it. We can make our life both a bed of roses and a bed of thorns. It depends upon our wisdom. Life without wisdom is useless. It becomes dangerous too many a time. One who leads a life without wisdom can never enjoy it. We can enjoy our life when we are full of wisdom. Life is a combination of positive and negative aspects. It depends upon us what side we chose. It is our wisdom only that helps us distinguish between wrong and right. Wisdom makes our life full of comfort and provides us with various sources of enjoyment. Life without wisdom has no meaning. Question number 2 in long answer. The Guru was a wise man. His wisdom helped him to become the king of the kingdom of fools. Explain. Answer. The Guru, when he entered the kingdom of fools, observed that it would not be a good place for them to live. He told his disciple that they should leave, but the greed of the disciple put him in danger. The Guru came back to save his disciple. By his intelligence and wisdom, he was able to trick the foolish king and made the king kill himself. The people soon after crowned him the king, so his wisdom helped him. Question number 3. One has to be clever to get out of tricky situations. Explain this fact with relation to the story in the kingdom of fools. Answer. When the disciple fell into trouble, his guru came to his rescue. The disciple was about to be executed. The guru told the foolish king that whoever died first on the stake will be reborn as the new king. The foolish king believed this and did not want anyone else to become the next king. He decided to be killed by the stake so that he will be born again as the next king. Thus, the Guru, using his sharp wit, rescued his disciple from death. That's all today, students. All of you write these question answers in your classwork notebook. Thank you very much.